we are going to try the colored logo mockup as well. So I'm just going to go straight to the downloaded mockup. So I just click on it. It is going to open in the WinRAR software. Yeah, so this is the WinRAR software. If you don't have it, you just go to Google and then you just search WinRAR, and then you would be able to download it. So when this pop-up comes, I'll just have to cancel it. Okay, so now this is the logo mockup. It is the you'd have to double click it for it to open in Photoshop. So the mockup is the one that has been named with the extension .psd. So you just double click on it. So this is the logo mockup. We are going to replace this logo. So to do that, you'd have to go to your layers panel. So just open your layers panel, and then now you realize this layer has been named different. You can see your image here. So just double click on the thumbnail. It is going to open in a new window in Photoshop. Okay, now let me hide the layers panel. Okay, so this is the logo we are going to replace. So I would have to go back to the layers panel and then hide this layer. I don't need it. So I want to place my colored logo. So I'll go to File, then I'll go to Place Embedded. Then I'll locate the logo. So this is the logo. It should be in the form of a PNG. So it should be a logo that has been saved in the PNG file format. Okay, good. So when you place it, it will come in the form of the transform mode. So you can either increase the size or decrease the size. So let me just decrease the size, and then I'll hit enter on my keyboard to place it. All right. So when you're done doing all this works, you just have to do the final step. That is, you save it. It is the saving that is important. So I'll go to File, then I'll go to Save, then wait for it to finish loading. Okay, I guess it is done. So let me go back to the previous tab. This is the previous tab, or you can get the previous tab by clicking this double arrow, and then you click on the previous tab. Oh, all right. Now this is our mockup. So that is how you do or work with mockups. Thank you.